Thank you for taking my course on travel writing. And one thing you need to remember is understanding your role, which is to convey your storytelling through experiences. So you want to get across the essence of a place through your words and inspire your readers to explore those places. So you're trying to basically paint a picture with your words. You need to develop your voice, and we'll go into that further in the course, how you do that. You need to find your unique perspective and voice. As I just said, what sets you apart? Are you an adventurer seeking adrenaline or a cultural enthusiast delving into traditions? What kind of traveler are you, and can you share that with your readers? You need to immerse yourself in the local culture so you can write authentically and not through stereotypes. You need to engage with the locals and get a taste for their local food and, their activities. You need to be able to observe and take notes well. Train yourself to observe details like the architecture, the smells, your interactions with people and their emotions. You need to take these notes so that you understand them later and can put them down on paper after that. Research skills. You need to combine your personal experiences with good research. You need to understand historical context, the local customs, and noteworthy spots, and maybe try to see some of the offbeat spots that people don't know about. You need to craft compelling narratives. You need to structure your writing with a captivating hook to get readers engaged. Keep a rich narrative and, of course, a satisfying conclusion. You're going to be using descriptive language throughout. It's really worthwhile to get good at photography and multimedia. Things are changing very quickly, so if you are more skilled in those areas as well, you're more likely to get hired and more likely to get repeat work. Networking and pitching. You need to build relationships with editors, fellow writers, and publications, and we'll go into that more in the course later on. And you need to be able to craft compelling pitches that will showcase your unique writing and your unique perspectives, your unique opinions on things. Are you adaptable? Can you be adaptable and resilient? Travel is a challenge. Travel writing requires adaptability and resilience. So you need to be ready for the unexpected, not let it phase you, and keep to the job at hand, which is your writing. Also, you need to pay attention to ethical considerations. Respect the local culture, write about it, but respect it and the environment, and avoid cultural appropriation and ensure accuracy in your writing. So we'll go into all of these in the course.